Okay, let me introduce the stable gun. How to know the quality, high quality. We use the coin, put it and put on the coin. You try the stable, see, no jam. No jam. That's a high quality. And the special is the stable gun can work for 3 type stables. One type is T50. T50 is the arrow number, and the rapid is the 140. And on major, the width is 10.6. And the thickness is 1.2. So that is the thicker one. And the stable gun can do the 3 type. One type is one T50, like this. And the second type is ZT21. Rapid number is 53. The width is 11.3, wider than T50. And thickness only 0.6 or 0.7 or 0.6, right? The thinner than the different, thinner than the T50. So the stable gun can do the 53. Okay, see the thicker one. There's a thinner one. No switch. And also can do the 13. But only 10.3. And the thickness is 0.6. There's a narrower than the 53. See, 3 kind of stables. Unitacker can do the 3 type of the stables. So that is the stable gun very special. And we compete the older one. That is very old. Okay, that is the real different. And we can do the same test in the coin. See? Jam. So cannot do it. See? So that's a jam. Cannot do anything. So that is a stable gun, very different. Compete. That's our new staple gun. That's very old, so very different. Our is the button node. This one is the real low. Very easy to take off. But loose is the push. The staple gun is fail. Okay.